Okay, part two of the unboxing. I didn't want to bore you, and I'm not an editor, so I don't know how to make a speed accelerated video to go through all the unboxing of the stuff. But here we go. I got everything out, and I'll go through kind of some of the pieces just so you guys can see them. I can explain them, give you touchy-feely. But I did save one box here. I just want to show you. This not only came covered in all the plastic, but they also, for pretty much every piece, for the base, for the unit, I mean, look at all the protection. And the good thing about having the guy come over and put this together is he hauls all that garbage away too, which for me is probably worth spending nothing, but it would have been worth the 100, 150, 200 bucks, whatever they might end up being. But just the fact that Char Broil packs that protection inside there so it doesn't bend and get messed up, I think that's pretty cool. So just so you guys can see that. All right, so here's all the pieces. Basically all the big black pieces are the base unit. Those are the two side parts that'll go right over here, and those will fold down as well. Here's your wheels, casters, whatever you want to call it. They've got the locking mechanism. They're plastic, but they're kind of feel like a little bit of a rubber on there, smooth. So actually it's not going to be like a hard plastic, but it's not rubber. I went ahead and put the piece in there, so that's what your grill's going to look like. And then that's the piece that I was showing that was separate. And I just stuck that in there for looks. You got your manual, your thing. I think I'm still going to get a brush. I think I could brush my teeth with this one. It's little, so I think I'll get a bigger brush. I think they're like 12, 14 bucks on Amazon. You got your venting, another piece for the magnetics for the doors that'll close. You got your spill tray for any grease that's coming down. You can also get little aluminum foil disposables that'll fit right inside there, so you don't mess that up and just throw those aluminum little trays away. But overall, it's good. This is actually a rack that goes inside the unit. So it's not the grill, obviously. So there you go. It's all laid out, ready to go. And that's part two. And next time you'll see this getting put together. Adios, amigos.